Good morning, good afternoon, good day sa amang panig ng mundo kayo hanggang ngayon. First of all, happy holidays to each and everyone. Eto, nandito ako ngayon sa barko and medyo busy yung schedule namin dahil medyo malalapit yung port. Kaya halos wala kaming time mag-celebrate ng holidays. But this time, nakakita kami ng pagkakataon during transiting dito sa English Channel na makapag-celebrate. And for this video, isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung naging celebration namin ng holiday and as well my birthday dito sa barko. And alam niyo naman ang isang OFW, para kami mga sundalo, Call of Duty, walang Pasko, walang holiday, walang gabi, walang araw. Pag may tawag ng trabaho, you need to act accordingly. Pero this time, panoorin nyo ang naging kaganapan ng konting salo-salo namin ngayong holidays. Kahit na magkakaiba kami ng lahi, dahil itong barkong itong multicultural ship, iba-ibang lahi kami dito, nag-celebrate kami na parang iisang lahi. Kaya panoorin nyo to.
Shout out, Lord Robert.
Ito mo naman ang pandiinan namin, no? Ang mga binalat nyo, oh. Oh. Mamaya, lapang to eh. Oh.
Number 1.
Putok-batok, oh.
Shout out!
Oh. Saan pa? Ito na po, tirang Batangas to yun. Oh. Mga banat yan. Ito mga tirang Batangas.
Pareho yung Humbay, pag
Oo.
pinaubos, yung lechon.
Gagawing ano, paksiw. Ayan o, tirang Batangas yan. Ito yung number 1 OS ko. Ano ngayon o, kita mo? Oh,
Sipko!
number 1 yan. Oh.
Everybody for this good preparation. I mean, it's always surprising in a good manner. Thank you for Gali and whoever was going after 10 o'clock to help. Good job. Okay, as you are aware, we are here for work, of course, and for living. And this time we have a very dense schedule with our operations. We have to supply fresh gas to Europe, and there is no time to plugging. So we are having quite busy now festive season. However, we found today some time to celebrate and to cherish forthcoming Christmas and New Year holidays. So thank you everybody for your efforts. I hope we will have and share some festive season feelings on board, and also online to share with your families, and to stay in a good and high manner. We are also aware that sometimes things might be surprising for some of our crew members. However, let's share positive feelings with the same time with condolences and with all efforts to stay positive and to continue in the Christmas and in the New Year. Thank you very much, and let's enjoy, and also at the same time let's keep safe operations as of now, everybody, and to perform all duties which are set in front of us, especially in this winter time, coming end of the year in the loading port and transits, and I'm confident that we will perform professionally on a high level, everybody, and satisfy all our requirements. Thank you, guys. Roberto, start.
Tuloy tayo. Dito, pwede kayo umupo dito. Bro.
Ito mga amigos, kasama ko nga pala dito si Trip ni Marco.
Paano yung share?
Moto vlogger, yan si mas vlogger din to. Close up na close up yan.